Roy, Congress leader with us, Subharansh Kumar Rai, Congress leader with us. I stand corrected there. But PKD Nambiar, what's the big issue about allowing a court-ordered survey? Why should there be a mob trying to block entry, create such a big tamasha, especially if it's a court order?
Precisely, Anand, this varies quite a lot wherever it is not any politically motivated exercise or a government is ordering something that, okay, go and do a survey. It is the court which has taken this decision. Even the people who are not even ready to accept the court order, I think that is alone says that there is something called as the intolerant is actually exist in this country, and especially when it comes to the Lord Vishwanath and the spiritual holy place of Hindus. We all know that it's more than 5,000-year-old place. We already have some kind of a decision in the case of Babri, the so-called old Babri Masjid structure. People, quote and unquote, people used to say, now it has been decided as a Ram Janmabhoomi. Same is, equally, it is an important place for Hindus in this country, the Lord Vishwanath and the Kashi. It is the ultimate place, the spiritual place for every Hindu in this country. I believe the people, especially if it is Muslims, clergies or etc., they should be ready to accept, at least be open to an ASI excavation, and if they prove if there was a temple inside, and they should be very happily vacating that place. And we all know that a masjid can be built any other place. Why this kind of a resistance?
I'm not even going into what the ASI will find, what the people believe. It's not even going into all that. It's just a simple aspect that it's a court-ordered videography and a video survey that needs to be done. Now, even there, why create such a huge ruckus and create such a hullabaloo? Subharansh, what is the reason why you'd want to do something like that?
I mean, simply, I just want to answer three things. First, the biggest ever question for the today. 140 crore population. In fact, India wants to know why rupee is lifetime low against the dollar. Is Prime Minister Modi has any responsibility to answer this question? Number one. Number two, yes, whatever we are talking for the Gyanvapi, this is two very clear-cut lines. The country of India is governed by the constitution and the law and the court. Whatever the constitution say and whatever the court say, that should be followed by every single Indian of this nation. Number two. Number three, whatever happened, because I am not in Banaras, I am here in Delhi, so exactly I don't know. But whatever happened, it is the responsibility of UP police to maintain law and order for that particular place. So whatever the court decisions coming and whatever the prima facie
so let me ask you this. Since the issue, you raised three issues, so since points 2 and 3 are relevant to this discussion currently, so we'll stick to that.
No, point 1 is relevant to the nation.
Like I said, point 1 you have raised as a larger issue, but right now in this discussion, in this limited time, we are talking about the Gyanvapi dispute. So we'll talk about the... Wait a minute. Let me ask you, the court has said that videography has to be done. The court has said that there has to be a videography, and it is appointed a team that has to go in and conduct the survey. The people could have gone ahead early in the morning on Friday. They waited until after the Friday Jummah Namaz is done and offered, and after that they were going to go only at 3 p.m. But despite that, there is huge ruckus. Why does there have to be a security bandobast if a court has ordered survey into a place? Why should it become a law and order situation?
Absolutely.
And there is a question that everybody has to ask, and you should also turn around. Who are these people? Who are these people who have suddenly decided they will block cops, they will block court officials, and they will dictate terms to court officials as to how they should conduct themselves? Who are these people and who gives them the authority? The constitution or the court has not given them the authority, PKD Nambiar.
Anand, very simple. You asked the most relevant question. Why don't you ask the Congress spokesperson, he was talking about the constitution, if a court in India is a constitutional authority itself, if the constitutional authority, a court has ordered for an inquiry or to go and do a videography, why the people, can you ask him that will he condemn the people who are objecting to a court order to happen there? Why the Congress is supporting the people who are obstructing this kind of a decision? of the court. It is not about the BJP government or a Yogi government or a Narendra Modi is involved in it. It is purely a court which is taken a decision. What is the problem for conducting a survey?
सर सुनिए तो सही, मिस्टर नाम्बियार,
इसमें सिर्फ दाल में काला नहीं है, ये पूरा दाल ही काला है।
अरे बाबा सुनो तो सही, प्लीज सुनिए ना, बड़े पार्टी से संबंध रखते हैं, एटलीस्ट यू शुड हियर, यू हैव पेशेंस टू हियर। एवरी क्वेश्चन इज रिलेवेंट फॉर द नेशन। नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने कहा था कि जिस देश की सरकार करप्ट होती है वहां का रुपया गिरता है। दिस इज द मोस्ट रिलेवेंट क्वेश्चन एज ऑन डेट। The law and order is a situation should be managed and run and executed by the UP government. It is BJP government. इसका मतलब यह है कि नरेंद्र मोदी
No, but who is creating the law and order situation, Subharansh Rai? कोर्ट का ऑर्डर, कोर्ट के ऑर्डर की अवमानना कौन कर रहा है? जो अरे नहीं, जो सवाल, जिस सवाल पे जवाब देना चाहिए उस सवाल का जवाब नहीं देंगे, वो उस सवाल का जवाब आपके लिए आउट ऑफ सिलेबस है, सुब्रांश राय। हाँ, बनारस के होकर के आप ये कर रहे हैं, बनारस के होकर के आप ये इस तरह का रवैया अपना रहे हैं। मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं, अगर कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर दिया है, कोर्ट ने ऑफिशियल्स अपॉइंट किए हैं, तो उनको मैं नहीं जाने दूंगा, ये आदमी यहां नहीं आ सकता, इसका फैसला करने वाला कौन होता है?
मैं यही तो आपको बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं कि हर सवाल आज रेलेवेंट है।
नहीं तो उनकी गलती है तो जवाब दीजिए ना। नहीं, जिस डिस्कशन के लिए, जिस डिबेट के लिए, जिस सवाल का आज अभी इस डिस्कशन में रेलेवेंस है, उसका तो जवाब दे नहीं रहे, उससे तो किनारा कर रहे हैं आप, उससे तो किनारा कर रहे हैं आप। यू आर अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल लीडर ऑफ अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, यू आर अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन ऑफ बनारस, you are somebody who places his shraddha in Baba Bholenath. So let me ask you on the relevance of the March Ringar Gauri case. Let me ask you this very clearly, sir. If a court has ordered that there should be a video survey, then should anybody block that survey without getting proper legal recourse? Will they should now this country is this country going to be run by democracy and court orders or by mobocracy who decide whether or not they want to listen to a court order or not?
Country run by democracy.
If it runs by democracy, why was that mob gathered outside those roads? Why is it? Who are asking the question? तब आपने सवाल क्यों नहीं पूछा? आप बनारस क्यों नहीं गए? आपने क्यों नहीं कहा इस भीड़ को कि आपको कोर्ट को नहीं रोकना चाहिए? आप तो बनारस के नेता हैं।
एक मिनट सुनिए ना, पहली बात यह है कि कंट्री रन बाय डेमोक्रेसी।
Country is run by democracy. Leaders like you have a responsibility or not? As a citizen of Banaras, do you have a responsibility or not? As a local leader of that area, do you have a responsibility or not? Did you tell this mob? Will you tell this mob via this show? Will you tell this mob कि कोर्ट को मत ब्लॉक कीजिए? बोलिए ना। बोलिए ना। आप तो वहां के लोकल लीडर हैं, तो मैं पूछ रहा हूं, आप वहां के एमपी से पूछ रहे हैं कि एमपी कुछ कहे। मैं आपके वहां पे स्थानीय निवासी हैं, आप लोकल लीडर हैं, आप भी कुछ कहिए।
आपने नहीं पूछा।
मैं पूछ रहा हूं आपसे, आप कोर्ट के ऑर्डर का पालन किसको करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना? मेरा घूम फिर के सवाल वही सिंपल है, कोर्ट का ऑर्डर है, अनुपालन होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए?
वही तो कह रहा, कोर्ट के
होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए? नहीं, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर नहीं, मैं कोर्ट के ऑर्डर का पालन, अनुपालन होना चाहिए नहीं चाहिए? पीकेडी नंबियार, सुभरांश कुमार रॉय is a master of skirting the real issue. Now sometimes you have this tendency, you see this tendency among certain leaders of certain parties, and sometimes on certain debates that they will answer and ask all other questions other than asking and answering the most relevant one. PKD Nambiar, coming back to you. Yes, PKD Nambiar. No, sir, the issue is who blocked the survey? What is the problem with the survey, a video survey? What is hidden inside there, or what is it that they are shielding from the world, which they don't want that it should be captured on a videography that has been ordered by the court? It's a simple question. Like I said, sir, अभी आजकल क्या हो गया है सर, कभी कुछ इतना दिशाहीन और इतना डिसजॉइंटेड हो गया है कुछ सवालों का और कुछ तर्कों का, जिस विषय पर हम बात कर रहे हैं उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी आप वो तर्क बढ़ा रहे हैं।